If you've ever heard the term EDC and wondered what it actually means, you're in the right place. EDC, or Everyday Carry, is all about keeping practical items with you that make daily life easier, safer, and more convenient. In this video, we're counting down 10 beginner-friendly EDC essentials that are simple, affordable, and genuinely useful, from compact tools and reliable flashlights to portable power, notebooks, and everyday organizers. Whether you're building your very first EDC setup or just looking for practical gear that you'll actually use, this list is the perfect place to start. Number 1. Last month, my field notes turned to pulp in rain. Ink smeared, pages curled, and my ideas disappeared fast. I was standing outside, frustrated, losing valuable work again. Deadlines don't wait when weather decides to attack your notes. Then I spotted this Rite in the Rain notebook. It was tucked beside rugged gear, looking seriously built. 3 pocket notebooks caught my attention immediately. Small enough for my jacket, tough enough for storms. The waterproof paper was the feature that sold me. Rain, sweat, mud, even grease. It keeps going strong. The Wiro binding looked extra durable and reliable. No bent spirals, no messy pages, no falling apart. That Polydura cover felt ready for real-world abuse. Scratches, stains, rough travel. This thing clearly handles it. I started using it on hikes and work trips. Now my notes stay readable, even in awful weather. I can write in the rain without panic. A pencil or all-weather pen works perfectly every time. Even bright sunlight doesn't wash out the grey paper. That means faster notes, cleaner pages, zero wasted effort. Honestly, it's a game changer for outdoor professionals. Travelers, surveyors, field workers, this belongs in your pocket. It's compact, practical, and ready whenever you need it. No more ruined pages when conditions get unpredictable. No more rewriting everything after one bad downpour. This is the kind of gear you trust instantly. If your notes matter, why risk losing them? Why settle for paper that quits when weather hits? Grab the 3-pack and stay prepared everywhere. Your next note should survive the storm too. Number 2. Every day begins with the little things we carry. Keys, bags, and plans, all waiting by the door. That's why order matters more than we realize. Spigen Life Carabiner Key Ring Clip brings calm. Its premium zinc alloy body feels solid and trusted. The rugged pattern offers a secure, confident grip. No slipping, no fumbling, just everyday reliability. The stainless steel gate keeps essentials neatly together. Keys, leashes, hats, and more stay organized. Everything you need, right where you expect it. Twist-to-lock design adds peace of mind instantly. Clip it to your belt loop or backpack, and move through the day without worry. For busy mornings, that simple security feels priceless. A built-in bottle opener adds unexpected convenience. Ready for picnics, travel, camping, and easy moments. One small tool, many thoughtful ways to help. The included O-ring offers extra key storage. A carrying strap gives even more everyday flexibility. It's made for people who value practical comfort. For commuters, it keeps essentials close and tidy. For outdoor users, it's a dependable daily companion. For gift buyers, it feels useful and meaningful. A simple gift can still feel deeply considerate. Strong materials, secure locking, and everyday convenience. A small design that makes life feel easier. Built for everyday carry, not for climbing. Just honest durability for the moments that matter. Choose a clip that protects what you love. Choose the Spigen Life Carabiner Keyring Clip. Number 3. Comparing first aid kits. Here's the smarter travel choice. Basic pouches look cheap, but often lack real essentials. Bulky boxes hold more, yet waste space everywhere. EVERLIT Pocket Aid balances compact size with full preparedness. Each hardshell case includes 50 carefully selected items: adhesive plasters, gauze pads, tapes, and wound prep pads. Also included non-adherent pads and sting relief essentials. That means quick treatment for cuts, scrapes, and stings. Compared with loose supplies, everything stays organized and ready. No digging, no mess, no wasted time during emergencies. The hard shell design protects supplies from bumps and pressure. Water-resistant construction adds dependable protection on the move. So rain, spills, and daily wear matter less. Regular soft bags can crush or scatter contents easily. Pocket Aid keeps supplies secure, clean, and accessible. The D-ring slot changes how you carry first aid. Clip it to backpacks, purses, diaper bags, or belts. That gives faster access than searching inside a crowded bag. For travel, camping, school, or commuting, speed matters. When injuries happen, easy access saves stress. Its compact shape fits neatly in cars, offices, and homes. Colorful designs also make it easier to identify instantly. Families appreciate the practicality. Kids and parents use it confidently. Outdoor enthusiasts get portable protection without carrying extra bulk. Many kits choose between style, size, or usefulness. EVERLIT combines all three into one dependable solution. Hospital-grade supplies, durable casing, and mount-ready convenience work together. For everyday preparedness, that combination simply makes more sense. Choose Pocket Aid if you want compact emergency confidence. Add it to your travel gear, family kit, or workspace today. Number 4. Need a keychain that works harder outdoors? Meet the Detuck Paracord Keychain Carabiner 2-pack. First reason? 550-pound military-grade paracord strength. Built tough for hiking, camping, and everyday carry. It holds up when your gear takes a beating. Second reason? Built-in fire starter for emergencies. When conditions turn bad, fire becomes survival. That extra spark can make a real difference. Third reason? Quick Draw Carabiner keeps essentials ready. Clip keys, tools, or small gear in seconds. No more digging through bags or pockets. The compact tactical design looks sharp too. It hooks easily to belt loops and packs. Lightweight, rugged, and made for daily carry. Perfect for campers who value practical gear. Great for hikers needing dependable backup tools. Ideal for survivalists who prepare for anything. Strong enough for the trail, handy for town. You get 2 pieces in one affordable pack. That means more value and more convenience. Less worry, more readiness. Everywhere you go. This is small gear with serious usefulness. Once you try it, you'll keep it close. Grab yours before the next outdoor trip. Upgrade your EDC with something truly practical. Stay organized, stay prepared, stay moving. Don't wait for an emergency to wish you had it. Add the Detuck Paracord Keychain Carabiner today. Tap Buy Now and gear up smarter. 2-pack. Stronger carry. Better peace of mind. Number 5. My phone died mid-commute and my day instantly collapsed. No charger, no battery, no navigation, no contacts. Total panic. I was juggling work calls, tickets, and a nearly dead phone. Even my backup cable tangled inside my bag again. Then I found this INIU power bank online. It kept popping up everywhere, and I finally clicked. What caught my eye first was the size. 40% smaller, yet still packs 10,000 mAh. That means pocket-friendly carry without the usual bulky struggle. But the real game changer? The 45W fast charging. In just 30 minutes, your phone gets serious power. No more waiting around like your whole day depends on it. I also loved the detachable USB-C cable. If the cable breaks, you replace it easily. That one detail saves the whole charger long term. So now I keep it in my bag daily. It's light enough for students, commuters, and travelers alike. Flights, road trips, campus days, office runs, all covered. My phone stays alive, and my stress stays low. I can charge fast between classes, meetings, and train stops. Even better, it feels built for real-life emergencies. Power outage, storm, long trip. This one is ready. Over 38 million users already trust it. That kind of confidence makes the choice easy. So if your battery always dies at the worst time, why keep risking it with a weak charger? Why carry bulky power when you can go lighter? Why wait for slow charging when 45W exists? Grab the INIU 45W power bank before your next dead battery disaster. Your future self will thank you instantly. Number 6. Ever wish your everyday pen could do more? Most pens just write, and that's about it. But one unexpected moment can change everything. That's why I like carrying the Rebel tactical pen. It looks clean, simple, and totally harmless. Yet it's built for writing, carrying, and emergency use. The metal body feels solid, balanced, and reliable, and the grip gives you a confident hold. Inside, it writes smoothly with 2 ink cartridges, so it works as a real pen first. Then there's the hidden glass breaker tip, compact, discreet, and ready when you need it. Perfect for EDC bags, pockets, and car kits. It's made from tough military-grade aluminum, lightweight enough for daily carry, strong enough for backup. The stainless clip keeps it secure and close, so it stays handy without feeling bulky. If you drive, this adds real peace of mind. If you hike, camp, or commute, even better. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. That kind of confidence says a lot. And yes, it includes free training support too, so you get more than just another pen. You get a practical tool for everyday preparedness, a great fit for self-defense users and EDC fans. Also, a smart pick for outdoor adventurers. Clean design, smooth writing, and emergency-ready performance. Honestly, it's one of those tools you'll appreciate later. Add the Rebel Tactical Pen to your carry today. Check it out now and stay ready wherever you go. Number 7. Ever had a tiny repair stop your whole day? Loose screws, stuck boxes, and no tool nearby? That frustration always shows up at the worst moment. Carrying separate tools also means more weight and clutter, and cheap tools often fail when you need them. This is where the EDC pry bar changes everything. Its heavy-duty pry bar handles tough daily tasks easily. Open boxes, lift nails, or pry with confidence. The bi-directional ratchet screwdriver speeds up every quick fix. Switch between tightening and loosening without losing momentum. It includes flathead and crosshead bits for versatility. The 360-degree rotating storage keeps bits secure and ready. No more digging through bags for the right tool. Need to write something outdoors or on the go? The built-in magnetic pen is always there for you. It stays reliable, even in water, fire, or impact. That means notes, signatures, and sketches anywhere, anytime. You also get wrenches, a bottle opener, and box opener. One compact tool replaces several bulky items in your pocket. The removable clip makes carrying simple and secure. Slide it on your belt, pocket, or bag. It is perfect for camping, DIY, and emergency moments. For outdoor enthusiasts, it brings practical help every day. For DIYers, it saves time and keeps work moving. For gift buyers, it feels useful and thoughtfully chosen. This is more than a tool. It is readiness. Compact, durable, and designed for real everyday carry. Carry less, solve more, and stay prepared anywhere. A smart EDC upgrade that earns its place fast, simple, reliable, and built to handle everyday challenges. Number 8. Tired of bulky wallets stuffing your pocket? Cards bend, pockets bulge, and everything feels cluttered. Finding the right card becomes slow and frustrating. Travel days make disorganized wallets even more inconvenient, and hidden card data can feel vulnerable everywhere. That's why this slim carbon fiber wallet stands out. Its ultra-thin profile fits comfortably in any pocket. You get a clean, minimalist look without extra bulk. The compact size keeps your everyday carry lightweight, yet it still holds up to 8 essential cards. Driver's license, debit cards, and membership cards stay organized. Quick access slots make grabbing what you need effortless. No more digging through a crowded wallet. Everything stays neatly arranged and easy to reach. Built-in RFID blocking adds another layer of protection. It helps shield your card information from digital theft, so you can shop and travel with greater confidence. The faux leather finish looks refined and feels durable. It's made for daily use, commutes, and trips. The carbon fiber style gives it a modern edge. Simple, sleek, and suitable for both men and women. It also makes a thoughtful gift for minimalists. Travelers will appreciate the compact security and convenience. Professionals will love the clean, organized front pocket design. You carry less, move easier, and stay more prepared. Your essentials feel protected, accessible, and perfectly streamlined. This wallet brings function, style, and security together. A small upgrade that makes every day feel smoother. Choose slim. Choose secure. Choose smarter everyday carry. Number 9. Need a tiny light that's always ready? Meet the OLIGHT IMINI 2 Keychain flashlight. Clip it, carry it, and forget it's there, until darkness suddenly changes everything. At camp, in your bag, or on the keyring, this mini light delivers fast everyday backup. A single output gives you 50 lumens of clarity. Wide, balanced light for close tasks and quick checks. No complicated modes. Just simple illumination when you need it most. Need light instantly? Detach the body from the magnetic cap. That's all it takes to turn it on. Fast, intuitive, and perfect in urgent moments. Recharging is just as effortless. Built-in USB plug eliminates extra cables. Plug it directly into an adapter. Full charge in just 60 minutes. Ready again before your next adventure begins. The magnetic base unlocks true hands-free use. Attach it to any iron surface instantly. Now both hands stay free for real work. Repairs, camping, power outages, or emergency prep. Wherever you go, it adapts with you. At only 55mm, it disappears in your carry. Just 19.5 grams, yet built from durable aluminum. It handles daily wear and 5-meter drops. Small body, strong performance, serious practicality. For EDC users, campers, and preppers alike, IMINI 2 upgrades your everyday lighting experience. Carry smarter, charge faster, and light up instantly. Get the OLIGHT IMINI 2 and stay prepared. Number 10. Last weekend, my box cutter snapped during a camping prep rush. I needed something compact, tough, and ready instantly. Then I spotted the Smith & Wesson Benji online. At first, the sleek black finish caught my eye. Then I noticed the ultra-fast one-handed flipper design. That alone screamed practical EDC power. The 8-key R13 MOV stainless steel blade felt seriously dependable, and the frame lock promised solid, no-slip confidence. I loved the dual money clip and pocket clip. It meant less bulk, more freedom, more carry convenience. The built-in bottle opener was the wild bonus, perfect for hikes, tailgates, and last-minute hangouts. So I clipped it on and tested it immediately. Opening packages became smoother, faster, and way less annoying. No more digging through my bag for tools. No more bulky gear weighing me down. This tiny knife handled everyday tasks like a champ. It even felt ready for survival situations. The compact size made it disappear in my pocket, but when needed, it delivered serious performance. That's exactly what tactical users want. That's exactly what survival enthusiasts need. And that's exactly why EDC fans are loving it. If your current carry setup feels clunky, upgrade now. Why settle for bulky when you can go smarter? Why carry separate tools when one does more? The Benji keeps you prepared, sharp, and mobile. It turns everyday frustration into instant confidence. This is the pocket tool you'll actually use. So, are you ready to carry better today? And that's our list of 10 beginner EDC essentials for anyone who's new to everyday carry. Remember, the best EDC setup isn't about carrying the most gear, it's about carrying the right gear for your lifestyle and daily needs. Start with a few practical essentials, see what works for you, and build your kit over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about EDC. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more everyday carry gear, tips, and practical product recommendations.